How to change your time zone in Google Calendar. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can change your time zone within Google Calendar. It is a very simple and easy step to do. All you have to do is, as always, follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go ahead to Google Calendar. Type in calendar.google.com and you will be redirected to the calendar that you have. But first, you have to ensure that you have connected your Google account. Now, the second thing that you have to do is to click on here. This is the gear button, which is the setting menu. When you click on gear button, we have the settings. We click on settings, and right here we have language and region. We have the country. You can go ahead first by changing the country, the format date, or the time format. And finally, we have the time zone. You can go ahead and check this part, display secondary time zone. You can put a secondary time zone, or you can click on the primary time zone, and then you have a lot of these that you can go ahead and change it. It is very easy. For example, I'm going to put it this time zone to the Eastern time for New York. And here we have the time zone changed. You can go ahead and enable the display secondary time zone, and then you are going to use, or here we are going to assign the next or the second time zone right here. It is very easy. For example, Denver. It is up to you. Now, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you soon on the next one.